They say that it's a cold world we're living in. I wouldn't know, been in my own world since I can't remember when. Remember when there's no answers, let it be. Don't think of giving in. Get back up, then begin again. In the beginning when we were just children, our wildest dreams seem limitless and imminent. Raised by good men and good women, then grow up to recognize we're not so innocent, not so infinite and limited a little bit. A middle finger to the stresses and the little shit. Our only hopes to make the most while in the thick of it. This is our predicament, no time to be inhibited. We all shine on. Like the moon and the stars and the sun, we all shine on. Like the moon, the stars, the sun, we all shine on. Like the moon and the stars and the sun, we all shine on. Like the moon, the stars, and John Lennon.
It's 7:15, cold world, wide awake, sleep will never get 'em. When it's another day, another dead end, I'm digging in the crate to make a diamond from a lemon. Like, don't let it bring you down. Right, Neil? Young at heart, dishing up the life spill. I've got a big dream, big wheels running in my head that don't sit still. There's room for development. Nobody's talking, but like a room full of elephants piling up. Ladies and gentlemen, the closet's too full. We gotta move out the skeletons. Good luckin', keep on trucking. Songs not right, keep on plucking. We buckle down, fuck around, get nothing. Believe me, when things get tough, then we all shine on. Like the moon and the stars and the sun, we all shine on. Like the moon, stars, and the sun, we all shine on. Like the moon and the stars and the sun, we all shine on. Like the moon, John Lennon.